Oh, hello guys. Shannon, Art Junkie. How are y'all doing? So I had made you a whole video, did the whole thing, you know, all the making and all the editing, not the video, but the video didn't record. Or probably I didn't press the button properly to record it. In any case, that happened. So I'll show you the video. I'll show you the lovely spread that I made. This here says, "Those who don't believe in magic will never find it." So there it is, the video that you didn't receive. Today I'm going to do a teddy bear video. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start off by doing some ink daubing around. Here's my ink dauber tool. I'm going to use some rusty hinge and a little wild honey and maybe some vintage photo. Oh yeah, we need a thing. We need this, Shannon. All right, here we go. These, I need to get some new ink pads. I'm doing a double spread today. If you're wondering what I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. It's a double spread. All right, let's do that. I don't think I need any wild honey. So there we go. Oh, I forgot, gotta edge these things too. Rusty hinge I'm gonna use for this. There. We need to, yeah. We got the teddy bears. Some laundry. Here's another teddy bear. There we go. Alrighty. if we use this? We could use this. Yeah, we could use this. Okay, let me play around here. See what we can do. We'll edit that long pause out there. We're gonna put this guy here. That much I know. I'm gonna put him there. And I'm gonna put this little thing here. Like that. And we're gonna put this here. And the other teddy bear here in front, like that. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put some washi tape down first. I'm gonna put a little bit of, let's see what we got here. I could use this. I could use that. Here's some more washi. There. All right, let's put this down here. I don't know. I need some, here's some glue. There. Let's put some washi on here. There. That'll work. I need to get some other stuff for that. There we go. Okay. Let's put Mr. Teddy Bear down, shall we? Shall we put the teddy bears in? There. Put a little pile of laundry. Alrighty. Put this down here now. Another little teddy bear. There we go. And put that all along the edge here. There. Let's try this. There we go. Let's try this, shall we? There. Now, something. How about that? There. And I'm going to oh, sparkle. Oh, sparkle. Where's the sparkle stuff? Here's some sparkle stuff. There we go. Alrighty, now let's pick words to put on here. What seems ordinary is often extraordinary. Listen to your heart. It will show you the way. Believe in yourself today. Hold on tight to your dreams. There is beauty in simplicity. There. Now, we have to sign our name. Where did the black one go? Here. There we go. And there is another little art journal page for you. Cut that off there. But anyways, that's cutie, isn't it? I like it. It's cute. Teddy bear piece. You guys like it? See you next week. Bye.